Huzaifa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about two topics. One is sleep and another is fun. This is most important thing which you are having into your life, and you need to involve into it. You need to make sure that these two things are mandatory into your life. First is fun, and next is sleep. When you are not having fun into your life, you are not making your life more interesting, and when you don't make anything more interesting, you will not be driven, or you will not be focused to do more into your life. So fun is a very important part of your life, right? If you are having some trouble, or if you are having anxiety disorder, sleeping disorder, depression, stress, anxiety, fear, doubt, any negativity, then just shift your focus to that of fun side, right? Think life as a fun, right? Life is just a journey, and we need to have fun into our life. Fun can be found in a lot of ways, right? You can just spend time with elderly and talk about their life experiences, and ask them to share their precious moments in life where they have achieved something, and just get fun out of them. And second thing is, you can spend your time with child which is less than 6 years, the kids, right? Why they are, we are also having kid in our side, in our, you can say, body, right? Inner child, we are having inner child, and it is time to get out that inner child. And how you can do that? By spending more time with the child who is below 6 years of age, right? Learn from them how they learn things, how they keep themselves happy, how they tackle each and every situation, how they live in the present moment, right? Spend time with them, enjoy with them, right? Family time is very much important. We take so much for granted this family time, but due to the coronavirus pandemic, I have realized, and I have already known this, that family time is very crucial for one's development, right? So spend time with the elderly and that of the child, right? Learn from them, right? Talk to them about the funny things in their life, right? Make them laugh, right? When you are the reason of someone happiness, then God himself will be the reason for your happiness. So be someone reason of your happiness, make someone smile, do an act of kindness, right? Life is very much short, and when you do these acts of kindness and gratitude and all those other things, your vibration changes, your frequency changes, right? You shift the vibration to that of abundance from that of lacking mindset, and it is very much crucial nowadays to have to do this, right? So fun is the most important part. Fun and spending time with the family is the most crucial thing, right, one can have. So I am also doing this YouTube video, and I find it fun, I find it loving, I find love in what I am doing, and that's the reason I'm making the videos. And just I have gap a week, if I have a gap of 4 days, I will again repeat to make a video to inspire you, to motivate you, right? So these two things plays a very important role in one's life. Sleep, another important thing which I told. Fun and sleep. If you are having sleeping disorders, if you are having sleeping problems, then your body will not be developed, and for that you need to exercise, you need to keep your body moving, you need to make your enzymes active, make all your body parts active, circulate your blood throughout your body. And when you sleep with 8 hours fully into your body consciousness, then you will be an unstoppable person. Fun and sleep, these are two things which I am talking in this video. So sleep, without sleep your body cannot grow, your enzymes cannot work, your mind will be inactive, you will be in a lot of stress, fear, anxiety, all the negativity will surround you. Without sleep, our body has also its biological cycle, and I have already made a video regarding disadvantages of night shift, why the people working in a night shift have issues, why they are drug addict, why they suffer from depression, anxiety, stress, because their biological clock of the body is disturbed. And when you sleep properly, during the daytime you are working, and at the night time it is time to sleep. It is mandatory. Why it is that? Because our body follows that of the procedure of that of the sun. Sun rises during the day and sets during the evening and the night time. So that's our energy also works. That's our biological process. Our body also works. So it is mandatory to having work each and every day, and as the day ends, it is time for you to take rest, and our energy of the body also decreases according to the energy of the sun. That's the reason lot of people, when they wake up, they do Surya Namaskaram, because all the energy chakras, all the energy centers in our body gets balanced. Energy is freely flowing in your body, and when the energy is freely falling in your body, you will get rid of any disease, any problems, any damn thing into your body. So it is very much crucial to have that sleep, a peaceful sleep, a restful sleep, a deep sleep I'm talking about. And if you are finding difficulty while sleeping, you can focus on your breathing. When you focus on your breath continuously for 1 minute or 2 minutes, when you are just going to bed, you will find that after practicing breathing for about 2 to 3 minutes, counting up to 1 to 100, you will automatically feel asleep. That's the power of breathing. That's the power of mindfulness. That's the power of our body consciousness. So right now, practice these two important things which help you to become the greatest version: fun and sleep. This is the most important in your life, and you must have the inner child which I am talking about. Right, so I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for a regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multi-dimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.